YouTubers, so now I'm just gonna do a bike check update since I did my last one. Since the last time I did a bike check, I crashed and I messed the crap on my forks, so I got new ones. I'm not really positive what they are. And these are the forks that I got. And this back wheel, just to tell you, I don't even know what kind that is either. And I have Coalition Power Street seat and Sputnic seat post, and I have Sinz pedals, and I've got a Black Ops chain wheel, which everything that's stock on here, there's not really much of it, but pretty much like most of my brake system's stock. And I decided to make this video in the middle of putting brakes on, so I just tied the cable hanger back so it doesn't like wiggle around and annoy people. And I have Fit FAF tires, those are pretty new. And I have Animal sway bars and ODI long neck grips and an S&M redneck XLT stem. That's about it on this bike. So comment, subscribe, and have a